This tutorial provides you with quick instructions on accessing, completing, and submitting an electronic agreement that must be completed in order for you to receive your Exogen ultrasound bone healing system. To complete the form, you will receive an email from Bioventus eDocs via DocuSign. Please read the email and then simply click on Review Documents. You can complete the document on a smartphone or on a computer. DocuSign will open in your browser and request that you enter an access code. This is how we protect your personal health information. Your home zip code serves as the access code. If the code isn't working, please contact your Bioventus sales representative. After entering the zip code, click on Validate. When the form opens, it may ask you to read the electronic record and signature disclosure. Click on the link, and after reviewing the disclosure, click Close, then mark the box next to I agree to use electronic records and signatures. Then click Continue. Please read through the document, which includes the HIPAA Notice of Privacy Practices, the Patient Bill of Rights and Responsibilities, the Exclusive Limited Warranty, and the Medicare DME-POS Supplier Standards. Next, you may either click on the yellow Start button on the left of the screen or scroll to the portion of the form that needs to be completed and signed. Areas that need to be completed are highlighted in red. Please click on the yellow and red Initial button to acknowledge that any information provided by Bioventus about your insurance coverage is a good faith estimate only and not a guarantee of coverage, the amount of your copay, or other personal liability. An option will open to select a style or draw your own signature. When you have chosen your selected style or drawn in your signature, click Adopt and Initial. Your name, address, and phone number will be pre-populated. Please review to ensure all information is complete and accurate and make any corrections necessary. Next, please click on the yellow and red Sign button to acknowledge that Bioventus has provided instructions for fitting and operating the device, that you have provided complete and accurate information on this form, that you have read and understand and accept each of the statements, and that you agree to pay the amount not covered by your insurance, including copays and deductibles. If you have saved your signature, simply clicking the Sign button will populate your signature on the document. You will then be prompted to choose your relationship with the patient. Please click on the drop-down arrow and choose the appropriate response. Finally, click on Finish to send the completed document to Bioventus. If you have any questions while completing the form, please contact your sales representative. If you have questions after completing the form or receiving your unit, please contact our customer service team at 800-836-4080